So yeah, they loosen there. Fine dress. I literally just signed 15 shirts. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you for being here. So today is Sunday. I just made up my bed now, and I actually started cooking already. Yes, the small one.
On that side,
Yeah,
even though the light isn't on.
it's on. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna check now. So I wanna cook today. I wanna do like a. I don't really wanna do much, but it's gonna be much. I wanna do like a pepper steak pie, and then we're also gonna do spicy rice, and just like maybe chicken. So yeah, we'll see. My rice is cooking now, so I wanna just quickly drink my coffee. I wanna also journal before I do anything, because I have not been journaling over the weekend. Today I thought, let me vlog, because it's Sunday. Maybe even if it's just halfway through the day. Yeah, so Sunday we are about to cook. Just woke up, got ready for the day, made up my bed, but now I just want to cook, get the kids school clothes, like prep for the week, the school clothes and whatnot. I see the guys are coming to work, so they are still digging for the pipes. So today they are continuing with the digging, so I have to go and open for them. Yeah, so we will just vlog throughout the day. Where's the key? Did you go get the key for me there by your auntie? She's there back with the key. So yeah, we're going to vlog throughout the day. Do the ironing, the kids' hair, just our normal Sunday things. Yeah, because they're standing by the gate, TJ. Our normal Sunday things, and then see how far we can get for the vlog today. Yeah, normally on a Sunday I don't really like to do much, but I just prep for the week. Like if there's ironing to do, I do all the ironing. If I have to do the kids' hair, I do that as well. So last week I did play the hair, so today I'm gonna loosen it definitely, because it is. I split it like for a week, but it's kind of old now, so I wanna loosen it and wash it and maybe plait it again. Nee, jullie dan opgestaan achter. Okay, let me get the key and open for the guys.
It looks horrible, but it looks nice to play.
You're not supposed to go there the back, or my you will get hurt.
Who?
You.
I was helping
I know you were helping to hang the clothes. The key is not here. Go ask Dara in the room, Evie.
Okay.
Quickly, the guys are waiting there. So I ended up, we woke up, like the guys ended up finishing around like 6. They were really working, shame, and they were just 2 guys. So they ended up like getting done around 6, so I couldn't hang all that laundry. So this morning I woke up Sasa, and I was like, you have to go and hang that laundry, because het gaan stink. Het gaan vermaf beginnen ruik. And I don't feel like re-washing it again. Oh, my daughter's still sleeping and ek praat so hard. So this morning she woke up and then she ended up hanging it. Even if you just hang, if it just hang like for 30 minutes, that will do, because it's air dried. So it's like It doesn't really need to hang long. So we did it. It's hanging. So I'm just going to start my cooking and do the hair, do the ironing for the week, and that's going to be it for today, I think. I really need to do a clean with my video because like my eyes can't dear the danga. The thing is with the house, I really don't feel like, it doesn't feel like home. It feels like very cold, you know. So as we are doing certain things around the house, I just can't wait till we get to the living room. Like I really can't wait. But it's not that it's like dirty. It's that there's no feminine touches to the house. Ever since I wanted to move, and now we still here, it's like I need to make it home again. So we are working on it slowly but surely. And the guys are at the back, they are going to start digging now, so you'll gaan geraas work. So let me move into the kitchen. First I'm going to drink my coffee, finish, move into the kitchen, continue to cook, and then we will do the kids' hair later on, do the ironing for the week, just their school clothes and whatnot. And then I think we'll see from there. Hi. Hello. Well, leave her. She's still sleeping now. Can you make up a bed when she's still sleeping? Okay, guys, let's go into the kitchen. Ik zei jullie gaan gauw gaan. Bye bye. Hoe is het? Antinella. You see there's mud on your slippers. Now you have to wear that papers now. Come here. Use it. What did Antinella do?
Huh?
What did Antinella do?
Antinella, did say there's water there, and then Antinella did say there's worms in the water.
Antinella's a dumb cop child. Sorry, ne? Sorry, ne? Now stay na be, because the follow is cold, boy. Alsjeblieft. Fine, Dries. Sorry, ne, boy. We're gonna do your hair today. We're gonna do your hair.
How?
Huh?
Am I gonna cut my hair?
No, not cut it. We're gonna wash it. And then we're gonna twist it. Then we must cut it. If you don't wanna do it, then we must cut it. Now we're gonna do it.
And I'm big.
When you big. You already big.
Not.
Kijk hoe staan Yara. We have to twist it, you see. No.
If you're a believer in Jesus Christ, you got an assignment. And don't let anybody tell you that your assignment isn't ministry just because it happens to be in a corporate setting. Mother of small children who's chosen to stay home with those kids, don't let anybody tell you that ain't ministry. High school student, college student, you're the only student that stands for truth when your professor says this is the way it is and you say, no, that's not the way it is. Don't let anybody tell you as the light on that college campus that you are not in ministry.
Okay, can you go there inside for so long? I'm now gonna take the onion so long. That is so cute, ne? See my sister's creative side.
Yes,
In a
mommy,
child. Kijk vir haar en goed.
Mommy, this is you, mommy.
Mariara. So I'm all done in the kitchen and I need to start doing the girls' hair, but that was like a marathon in the kitchen. Today I put in a little effort only because hubby asked me to bake and cook all those things yesterday. So I'm gonna do the girls' hair now. I'm gonna wash it and put on conditioner. I think I'm gonna leave the conditioner on a bit and then they can go bath. And then while they bath, I'm gonna iron. And then when they are done bathing, then I'll do their hair. I just wanna chill a bit. So they loosen the hair. Oh ma, did you loosen all the hair? Come my feet. Come I see. So yeah, it's all of it loose. Okay, at least they loosen their own hair. Come here. My camera is dirty now. So yeah, they loosen the hair. So what are you all still playing? The floor is lava with the pillows again.
No, we playing Pokemon. We just. I'm eating the.
But anyway, yeah.
How is the pillow?
Ironing is all done. I ironed for the whole week. 5 shirts per each of my humans. And then these are the pants. So I literally just ironed 15 shirts. But I'm glad it's done. And now we are all sorted out for the week. Okay, hair is all done. And now I am all done. Because I am tired myself now. Up. Put on the phone. Don't you more. And on for mommy. Thank you. We're gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you for hanging with us. Yay!
Bye, guys.
Thank you for hanging with us. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.